Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about canceling your subscription with VidGenie AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at app.vidgenie.ai, and you can see here on the dashboard that at the bottom right hand corner we are currently subscribed to the free tier, and it does say that there is no subscription. We can click upgrade now, and this is going to take us to the subscription page, and from here you can see that you have the upgrade buttons that are on the different tiers for the subscriptions, and then on the free tier it says current plan, and this is grayed out. So essentially what you want to do is, if you are going to upgrade your subscription, then once you do so, then the subscription that you select is going to have the same button here. It'll say current plan and it'll be grayed out. And then from there, if you want to go back to this free subscription plan, then you can click here and you can go back to the free tier. The other thing you can do, if we go back here to the main page and you're looking for the subscription option, you can always go to the settings option here at the bottom left hand corner, and the settings are also to be found here at the top right hand corner with these three buttons here. You can see billing and subscription there, and let's just take a look here as well. So yes, we have the settings option here in three different places, so they definitely make it easy to find the subscription page, and then from here you can select whichever subscription you wish. If you want to cancel, then you would just go back to the free tier for your subscription. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.